in college when it was being imported to you. Would you care to share which is your particular favorite kind of century tuna?
Mahilig ako sa maanghang eh, so it's the hot and spicy. What's great about the century tuna, like they have a hot and spicy.
That's true.
So I get that flavor, plus it's got 50% less fat and less salt. So it's perfect for me. And another thing is, you know, I mentioned earlier that you starve yourself, you do that. That's not good for you. And I've learned that every time I'm hungry, you know, before I skip meals, do that, I feel weak the next day. When you're hungry, you should put something in. And having century tuna open up fills me up, and it's good for me. So I feel stronger, and when I go into my competitions, I perform so much better.
So you mentioned that your favorite is hot and spicy. So I'm guessing you really like to have fun with your food.
Yes.
Aside from that, though, how else do you enjoy your century tuna? Are there specific recipes that you do?
I prefer it straight out of the can, but
Okay.
what's great about Century, they do provide recipes for you out there. I think you can go to their website.
Yes.
And they provide different recipes. Most people think that eating healthy is, you know,
boring, bland, yeah.
but I think it's, you know, it's changed. It used to be that way, right? But nowadays it's so much easier to find healthy food that's got flavor and is, you know, at the end of the day, good for you.
So if you guys are curious, the website, you just have to check it out, www.centurytuna.ph, and you can get your ideas from there as well. Before we let you go, Derek, would you have any other tips for everyone, for those who... do you have any other tips for those who want to start leading a healthy lifestyle?
Guys, follow this formula, I guarantee it. You can come back to me if it doesn't work. The 70-30 does work, and you have to be really dedicated in everything that you do. You know, going to the gym is good, or finding something that you like, sport, maybe go out and run with friends. You know, getting up in the morning, that's a lot of hard work, but it's even harder to do the 70%, which is stop those foods that are not good for you. You can have a cheat day, you know, every now and then, but I find it so much harder to be focused on what you're taking into your body. So if you can dedicate and work harder on that, you'll see results. And we just don't want, you know, makita lang yung abs. Kasi meron din mga nagdadaya na labas abs, but mahina sila. No, it's true. No. It's they're using it for, like, let's say, modeling and all that. But at the end of the day, it's not good for you. It's not healthy. So you want to provide the proper nutrients, the right food in your body, so that not just look good, you know, that's the bonus, but you're also healthy.
So we're not just going for the 100% abs. We want the 100% perfect physique for your body as well. So thank you very much, Derek.
Thanks very much,
for all that.
guys.
How about a round of applause?